In this lesson, we're going to talk about the capabilities of Pathfinder. Pathfinder is a really interesting tool, especially when it comes to building geometric shapes upon each other. But there's a couple hidden features that we recently discovered that are super helpful. With Pathfinder, usually the way we would build something, it's pretty destructive. We'd create a shape, and then we'd make more shapes within that shape, and then you basically end with a final product that's basically irreversible. So we're going to show you a different way to deal with it that's a little bit more adjustable. Right here we have our Rocketeer series, which is like the spacescape theme, planets, stars, rockets, and all these things were created using basic geometry. So an example of that would be every planet, it starts off with a circle. If I wanted to create something else to add to this series, let's say a moon, I would probably start off with a circle and try to intersect it with another circle. So just to show you what that would look like in the basic construction, I'd create a circle, and then if I wanted to duplicate the exact same thing, I'd hold down Option and Shift, and then I'd select both those shapes, and I'd use the Pathfinder mode to subtract the shape in front of it. And that would basically make a moon. And the problem with this method is that now I have one shape based off that interaction. If I wanted to do something else where it would be a little bit more adjustable in the end, I can actually take both these shapes and hold down the Option or Alt key before selecting this subtract button. And what happens here is that it makes the same interaction, but with the white arrow tool, that shape, that intersection is still adjustable. And this is super helpful if you want to have a little bit more freedom in your illustration style. And you can see as I scroll over the image behind it, it is truly using a transparent knockout. So it's really interesting that you can actually create the shape you're looking for and adjust it from there. So let's say I wanted to make it more of a crescent moon or change the shape completely. I could even adjust the shape that's actually knocking it out. You can do this with lots of different things within Pathfinder, this Option key option. So I'm just going to show you an example of this outside the art box. So let's say we do the same exact thing and want to do the typical making a leaf kind of Venn diagram shape in the center. We'd usually push this intersect button. And again, we're getting this look of a single shape at the end, and we're kind of stuck with it. But if we hold down the Option key beforehand, then we get the same shape, but then again, it's adjustable. So you can see as I play around with one of these shapes using the white arrow tool, I can kind of tweak this based off of my liking. And then once you have it to a place that you do like, that's when you can press this expand button and you finalize the shape. So this is a great way to have much more editability in your style, and using geometric shapes within Pathfinder, you can actually just use the Option key to give you a lot more freedom.